everyone. So welcome back to another video. This one's a pretty cool one. So the opening day of rifle season, we were up deer camp, and it was alright. Two of the guys we were up there with got some deer. I'll post those pictures after this little explanation video. Hunted all day Saturday. The crew got 3 deer down total. And then we got back to camp that night. Winds were picking up, and they were supposed to be calling for rain the next day. So we were like, we might go hunting, we might not. We don't really want to get the boat out, risk anything. So we wake up that next morning, and there's rain coming in, and we were just kind of iffy on the whole situation. So I looked at my dad and I was like, let's tear down camp, we'll go back to the house and go hunt the property we got permission on. So we do that, come back to my dad's house, we drop off our heater and stuff because we don't want it to get wet in case it started raining. Kind of glad we did, because when we got out there to the hunt spot, it was about 10 minutes after legal light, and it was overcast, so it was a little dark. So we hung out in the truck for a few more minutes till we could see just a little bit. And yeah, this is where the video starts. So you guys are gonna see that, and like I said, I'm gonna show you guys the 2 pictures I got from the deer camp harvest, and we'll kick it off from there. Thanks for watching Goose Creek Outdoors, everyone. He's just standing there, right?
Yep. Oh, you got him. You had him on the first one, Bubba. Oh, yeah. It don't get no better than that.
Are you? He's death wobbler. He's done. What in the world? Just happened. Like, I've been hunting that deer for a solid week, and then we get rained out up at Stockton, haul ass down here, let it get a little bit light, so when we go there we can see what's going on. We get out of the truck, we get ready. I look on this hillside and he's locked with a doe. Miracles, man. That's a toad. Oh. Okay. Well, I guess we'll give it a minute, then we'll go over there. And then we'll do some hunting after that. Alright, so we were back there, now we're walking up on this dude. Alright guys, so I'm sitting behind my personal best 12-point Southwest Missouri buck. Yesterday we hunted up about an hour north of here with some buddies with the Goose Creek crew, and we had a slow day. We had two guys, they managed to get some deer, 3 down total, 2 does and a buck. And then we were unsure of the weather up there this morning. We woke up and we decided, let's not push the luck. It's supposed to be raining off and on up there. We gotta take a boat to the spot. So we woke up, tore down our little camp area. Me and Dad hauled butt down here. Got parked. It was overcast, so it was still pretty dark out. So we decided, you know what, it's rifle season. Let's wait a little bit, get some light, and we'll walk in. Oh, we got ready, and 225 yards from the truck, I looked up there and I seen a little bit of white. What the heck's that? Well, I got the backpack, thrown it down, got on the gun, and sure enough, this boy right here was with the doe out in the middle of this field. And at first I thought it was the big one. I've been hunting for a week, and well, it wasn't, but who knows if we're gonna see him again and get another shot at him again. There's no telling if he's even around here right now. Rut does some crazy things, but this is my PB. He's got a bladed brow back here. It's awesome, tine, whatever. But he's been rubbing. He's got trash on him still. I'm happy, super happy. And hopefully we can keep the ball rolling with deer, and we got duck season coming up, so we're gonna have a lot more content coming at you guys. Thanks for watching Goose Creek Outdoors. So, just for purposes, my orange is in the truck. We walked up on him, got pictures done, did the whole yee-hawing and whatnot. This is my personal best. Like I said, I walked up on him. He's a good one. I ain't mad about it one bit, but he's not the big one that I've been hunting. I don't know if he's still alive. He may not even be anywhere near here now. I don't know. Dad could have a chance at him. We might not ever see him again. We might see him during bow season. I don't know. You never know. That being said, I'm not upset with this deer. Like I say, he's my personal best. He's just, you know, we got him checked in, toe checked. Got 12. I'm ecstatic. Biggest buck I've ever taken, so we're gonna go get him taken care of, and then I think me and Dad's gonna go hop in the stand for a little bit. So he's got all his tags left. I got doe tags. Yeah, just one of those things. I'd rather be lucky than good, man. Give you another. So we were hunting about an hour north of here, and up there They're having off and on rain all day, and we didn't want to risk anything with getting the boats out and whatnot. So we decided, you know what, let's pack up. We're gonna come back down here. So we did that. So we got parked, got out of the truck, got all our stuff on, got ready, was getting ready to walk out, and I looked up in this field and he was with the doe up here, and I didn't know what it was at first, and then I seen the white flicker, and I was like, oh crap, like, that's a good buck. So I'm happy. My best buck I've ever gotten. I say he's not that big monster we've seen, but you know, everything's unpredictable with them deer, so I ain't upset one bit. He's cool. He's got a bladed tine on him, got some trash on him. He's a beefcake. So hopefully we'll get some more action. Yeah. Thanks for watching, guys.